Good day family, today we are making our fish in tomato soup. This one we have our tomato fresh. We have nutmeg, black pepper, garlic, ginger, celery, and everything. This is our fresh fish. As you can see, I'm cleaning the fish. We clean the fish. As you can see now, we cut it in portion. Water in the basin with lemon juice. Then you start cleaning your fish. We put oil in the frying pan. We salt our fish. Then we start frying. When we finish to fry the fish already we have prepared the tomato. We mix with everything: celery, spring onion, green pepper, and then we start frying. We're preparing our tomato soup. You can see I'm mixing everything here. This spring onion and bay leaves. Celery is here. Black pepper. Nutmeg. We add stock. A small of garlic. Fry, and we put also chili. We fry it together until it's ready. When it's ready, after 10 minutes of frying, and then we mix everything in the fish. You can add now water. Soup. We add some bit of water, small quantity. We leave it for 10 minutes to boil, and then the fish is ready. You can see the color. You must like the video, you share, and you subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment. Enjoy your food. God bless you.